Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Just a reminder that this video reflects my personal experience using the tool. Today, we're diving into Plutus.it, a platform that seamlessly integrates with your existing bank accounts to automate savings and investments. Instead of manually transferring funds each month, Plutus.it intelligently analyzes your spending habits and sets aside predetermined amounts towards your financial goals. Imagine effortless saving and investing, all powered by a platform that learns your financial rhythms. Plutus.it goes beyond simple automation, offering personalized insights into your spending patterns. This allows you to gain a deeper understanding of where your money goes and identify areas where you could potentially save even more. With its sophisticated algorithms, Plutus.it optimizes your finances, making sure every penny contributes towards your long-term objectives. Think of it as your personal financial advisor, constantly working in the background to maximize your growth. What sets Plutus.it apart is its commitment to security and transparency. Your financial data is protected with industry-leading encryption, ensuring your peace of mind. Moreover, the platform provides clear and concise reports, making it easy to track your progress and understand the impact of your financial decisions. You're always in control, with full visibility into how your money is being managed. This isn't just about automating savings, it's about empowering you to take control of your financial future. Plutus.it provides the tools and insights you need to make informed decisions and achieve your financial aspirations. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house, planning for retirement, or simply looking to build a stronger financial foundation, Plutus.it offers a seamless and effective solution. It's about making your money work smarter, not harder.